Hi trekkers and explorers and anybody else who is watching. We are going to make some Japanese knotweed wind chimes today. And here's what you need. You need Japanese knotweed. You can see the knots in it. Kind of grows like bamboo. You'll find it along rivers. There's even some at the nature center if you need to go and get some. Alright? You can see this one is split. You can see the inside of the knots right here. Alright? What you're going to do is you're going to cut at least 5 different lengths. Alright? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright? You're also going to need a larger stick to tie them to. And this is what we're going to hang it from. Alright? You can see I've already tied 4 of them on. You need a saw to cut it with. You need some string to string it up. You do need a drill to drill through. Alright? I tried other methods, and the other methods just split the not the bamboo, it looks like bamboo. Splits the knotweed. Alright? But with the drill, if you're drilling in lightly, or with light downward pressure, it's less likely to split. Alright? So I do recommend using a drill. And if you're using a drill, make sure you have an adult with you. Thank you. Alright. You need scissors to cut the string. You also need some sort of stick, a stout, sturdy stick. This one's cut on an angle, which helps. You need that to push out the knots here. Alright? That way, you're going to get different tones, different notes from the different lengths. But if you don't push those out, you're not going to get, the tones aren't going to be too different. So I'm going to leave the top knot here. We drilled a hole just below the top knot. And now I got to push out the knots in this, on this one and this one in the center. I'm going to do that with my stick. All right? Get a good grip on it. Get a good grip on your knotweed. Just kind of punch through like this. All right? Go all the way around it. Now I'm going down, went through that first one, now I'm at the second one. Bust it through, all the way around. Shake out any bits. Alright, now we're good. Make sure you leave that top one whole. Now, we're going to cut some string. You're going to tie it onto your knotweed piece, string it through. This part can be a little tricky as you're getting it to feed through all the way, but we got it. I like tying a bowline knot here. You can tie any kind of knot that you want. You can also use yarn. Yarn's going to be a little bit trickier to get through the holes though. That's why I like the fishing line. Alright. We tied it on there. We're going to take your string. We're going to tie it to the stick. Just a couple overhand knots, going to work just fine on this. You want it somewhat even with the other ones. Alright. And now, we have wind chimes. You can tie another string on top of that and hang it from a branch or anywhere around your house, maybe from your porch. Enjoy.